In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default sign-up email for membership in GoHighLevel. We're going to update the welcome email that automatically goes out when someone joins your membership or community. This is the message that sets the tone for your members' experience, so making it clear, on-brand, and helpful is key. Start inside your GoHighLevel account and head to the Memberships area. This is where your client portal, courses, and community settings live. Once you're there, open Email Settings. Think of this as the control panel for all the automated messages tied to your membership experience. Within Email Settings, go to the Communities section. Here you'll find templates for different community events, like when a user joins a group. Look for the option labeled Joined the Group, User. This is the notification that fires the moment someone is added to or joins your group, which makes it the perfect place to change your default sign-up email. Open the default template for that notification. You'll see the current subject and body. Click Edit to begin customizing. If you see a prompt asking to proceed, confirm it. This simply means you're creating your own version of the template for this location, so your changes become the new default. Next, update the subject line. A clear, friendly choice is, Welcome to your membership name. Keep it concise, recognizable, and free of spammy language. Using your brand name helps recipients identify you instantly in their inbox. Now craft the body of the email. A great starting point is hi/contact.firstname. Welcome to your membership name. You now have access to your content. Log in here /member.login link. Best regards, your name, business name. Those double-braced items are dynamic fields. Contact.firstname. Pulls in the member's first name automatically, and /member. Login link. Inserts their secure login link. Maintain these placeholders so the email personalizes correctly and gives members immediate access. You can enhance this copy with a brief sentence about what to expect next or where to find key resources, but keep the primary call to action, the login link, clear and near the top. When you're happy with the subject and body, click Save. Your changes are now set as the default, so every new member who joins will receive your updated welcome email automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed the default sign-up email for your membership in GoHighLevel, ensuring new members get a polished, helpful first impression.